Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to get your LLC and your EIN number in 2026 in under 5 minutes. So if you want to go ahead and set a timer on your phone, be my guest. This is going to be super fast and around just 5 minutes, probably a little bit less. And I'm going to show you exactly how to get your LLC and your EIN number. So the two of them go hand in hand when you're starting your business. You want to have your LLC to make your business official and have you legally protected as well. And your EIN number is super important to have in order to open a business credit card or a business bank account, as well as filing your taxes. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be showing you on my screen at the same time you follow along on yours. Highly recommend for these videos to kind of open two different tabs. So that way when I'm talking, you can be listening, and at the same time, you can be doing your LLC and EIN. That way, by the end of this video, you will have it completely filed and you'll be on to the next step in your business. So again, click the link in the description below. It's gonna open the Tailor Brands website and we'll get started. All right, so set that 5-minute timer, and when you're ready, let's go. Okay, so this is the Tailor Brands website, and you're gonna start by clicking the state that you live in. Okay, now you're going to type in a name for your business. I do eyelash extensions, so let's do that. And what is the industry that you're in? There's tons of options. I'm going to look up eyelashes, and there we go. Okay, now where are you currently with your business? If you've had experience or not. And you guys, in section 1 of 3, a lot of these questions right here are just kind of like opinion, so it doesn't matter too much. Your business name does matter, of course. And let's just say we're not sure how many people will be in the business, and you found Tailor Brands through YouTube. Okay, let's just hit next on this. And now you will type in your personal information. And you can just create a password here. Okay, guys, we are on section 2 of 3, and we are just in about 2 minutes of going through this. So about 3 more minutes, and we will be done filing our LLC and our EIN number. Okay, so the easiest and fastest way to have your EIN number filed is to have Tailor Brands do it for you. Let's see. Now this is a new thing on Tailor Brands. Let's see. Keep your social security. Okay, yes, this is your EIN. So you're going to click this option here. Tailor Brands will file your EIN number for you for just $99. If you don't want to have them do it, you can click this option here using your social security. That basically means that you don't want Tailor Brands to file your EIN, and you can file your own EIN on the IRS website, but it's a little bit more complicated. So let's have Tailor Brands do it for us for the sake of time as well. And every single year you need to renew your LLC. If you guys want Tailor Brands to do it for you, it is $199 per year plus the renewal fee. But if you remember to do it, you're going to receive emails about it. You can handle this on your own. And if you change your mind later and want some help with it, feel free to go back in here and have Tailor Brands help you with that. Okay, branding toolkit, let's just say no here. And do you want your LLC in 1 day or in 14 days? So if you want it in just 1 business day, that's like, what's today? For me, today is Thursday, so I think it would be here by tomorrow. That will be $99. If you want it in 14 days, which is 2 weeks, still super fast, you can click this option. Let's get it tomorrow. Great. Okay, and an operating agreement is really important to have if you have partners. So if you do, go ahead and click this option. If you don't, you can click the second option here. And you guys, the formation kit is basically a binder with all of the paperwork that you'll need, such as paperwork for taxes, accounting, any sort of organization stuff is going to be in here. So if you want that, you can opt in. It is also $99. And Tailor Brands actually offers a free business bank account now, which is absolutely amazing. If you're already going ahead in this video and opening your EIN number, you're already on the way to being able to open a business bank account. You can't open a business bank account if you don't have your EIN number. So if you're already doing it, let's just open a free bank account. It's amazing. You could also open a bank account at your local bank as well. And let's get notified about our LLC status. Okay, you guys, we are in section 3. I don't know when I started this video, but I think we still have like a minute and a half to 2 minutes left of filing our LLC, which is plenty of time. I'm pretty much done. Okay, so let's go through what we're paying for today. Right here, I'm gonna first have you guys click See Other Options. Okay, here's the options for today. We're gonna select this light plan because it's free and we like free. But if you do have a little bit of money extra to spend, or you wanna make your business a little bit bigger from the beginning, these other options are amazing. So for example, the Elite plan, yes, it is $250 a year, but they're creating a website and a domain name for you. And if you guys have looked up making a website anywhere, it is significantly more than that to make something professional. So Tailor Brands can create something that really aligns with the image you want to put out and the professionalism. So highly recommend looking into this if you need a website. But again, let's select this light plan here. And here is what we are paying for today. You guys, I'm right on track with the 5 minutes or less. I think we're less still. So here's what we're paying for today. The LLC plan is free. For Florida, it's $130 to file your LLC. Now, no matter what state that you live in, it's gonna be a little bit different. Some states are like $50, other states are like $400. It just depends. This is a government mandated fee, so we really have no control over that amount. We're paying for that 1-day filing fee. If you don't want that, you can unselect it. Here are the other things that we have selected. If you don't want to try out bookkeeping, click that. We're getting our business bank account. We're definitely getting our EIN. We're gonna have Tailor Brands do it for us, and it's $99. So keep in mind, once you file your LLC, after that is processed, then they will create your EIN. So you're not gonna get charged for that today. That's gonna be charged after your LLC. And, okay, LLC formation kit. Oh, this was the binder with all the organizational paperwork. So if you don't want that, you could just unclick it. Okay, now we are going to payment, and that's it, you guys. Maybe someone can tell me in the comments what time we're on. I'm trying to see, but I think we were right around 5 minutes, maybe a little over, maybe a little under, but yeah, I was pretty close. So you guys can see that process is really fast. It's pretty simple. You know, if you want to read through it a little bit more on your own, you can. But if you click everything that I've, shown you what to click, you're not going to be on the wrong track. Like, I promise you guys, it's very straightforward, pretty easy to follow along with. Highly recommend having Tailor Brands do your EIN number for you, just in order to save yourself some stress and some time. Again, if you want to do it on your own, you can through the IRS website. I just feel like it's an extra headache, and for $99, it's so worth it. I mean, think of what you spend $99 on Amazon or the grocery store. So like, this is your business. It's worth investing in. If you need to pay a couple extra dollars to make something less of a headache, or to make something more efficient or more professional for yourself and for your business, I highly recommend doing that. So I hope you guys like this video, and let me know what your thoughts are when you're filing your LLC and your EIN number through Tailor Brands. Again, I love using Tailor Brands because it just, like, you see how easy this was? I don't think I can get any more clear than this, and I like easy. So, again, leave a comment below if you guys want to see any other videos like this, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.